In this SAP Lumira session, we will combine multiple datasets we've already acquired into one. Let's open our SAP Lumira Sales Team Management document. Combining data from the Prepare tab is a great way to be able to create a visualization based on dimensions and measures from multiple datasets. This can be done as long as there is a common dimension with similar data. In our Sales Team Management Lumira document, we have 4 different datasets. The product, customer, and sales rep datasets contain specific attributes and measures about each entity. The transactional sales deals enterprise dataset contains customer, product, and sales rep IDs. But if we try to use just the IDs in the visualizations, the end user will not get much meaning. So we want to add attributes of these entities to the transactional dataset so that we can report on a customer and product names, regions, etc., combined with the transactional data. To do this, we will merge the 3 datasets into the Sales Deals Enterprise dataset based on shared keys to combine the data. In the Prepare room, from the Dataset drop-down window, ensure the Sales Deals Enterprise dataset is chosen. You can see that we are starting off with the Sales Deals Enterprise dataset that contains 38 dimensions and 17 measures. There are 2,267 records in this dataset. Using the Data pane menu in the top right, select the Combine icon and you will see 2 options, one to merge data and the other to append data. If you have 2 datasets that have the exact same column structure and data types, you can append them together under one. In this example, we will choose Merge to bring in additional columns from the customer dataset to the current dataset. In the Merge Data window, on the left will be the dataset that you are merging into, and on the right you can choose which data to merge. We'll start with the customer dataset. Next, we need to determine which key to combine with. You can ask Lumira to provide a suggestion by clicking on the Suggest button. The suggested customer number key will be displayed. You can choose to combine the data as a left outer join as a default, or an inner join. The left outer join will keep records even if a corresponding value in the lookup customer table is not found. An inner join will only keep the records where the lookup has been successful. In this case, the left outer join default will be used. Click Merge. The result in the Sales Deals Enterprise dataset is new columns from the customer dataset will be displayed with corresponding data for each record based on the key. At this point, you can undo the merge by clicking on the Undo button to bring the dataset back to its original state. Let's do the same steps to bring in product details. Use the drop-down to choose the product dataset. Click on Suggest to determine which key should be used. In this case, we're going to be using the product ID. Again, we'll use the left outer join and merge. Let's do the same for the sales rep details. Choose Dataset Sales Rep. We'll use the sales rep ID and we'll merge. The Sales Deals Enterprise dataset is now merged. The number of dimensions and measures have increased to reflect the added columns. Please note that once a dataset has been merged with another dataset, it is one unit and therefore you can't remove either dataset. Save the new dataset. The merge is complete and we can continue with creating our sales team management story.